Good morning one and all, and a happy St. George's Day to you all. I haven't got a St. George's flag, but up there I've got a Union flag. My granddad liberated that. I think it was for the Queen's coronation. He liberated it from Stokesay Town Hall, and it's got British made on it. Probably the last thing they ever made. Now, just a couple of heads up. I'm doing a Sunday sort out this Sunday. I think what that would be, the 26th. I've got a few interesting bits and pieces. Everything's open to offers. I say in the video I have a bit of a trouble sending things down to the States, so big stuff can only go FedEx and UPS. I'm sorry, commercial goods going by Canada Post is pretty much out for the United States because of Trump's tariffs. It's too much of a mess about. The other thing I wanted to mention very quickly was that my memory stick is now back online. I had a little bit of a trouble with the cloud server, and now they've given me more space for less money, which is good. So what I've got to do is this, and this is the best offer I can do to you. I've reduced the price, and I've also done a special until the end of June on the memory stick, so you can get a good bargain. It's bigger now. I've put more stuff in it. I've organised a bit better, I hope. But anybody who's already bought the memory stick or downloaded it before, contact me, send me an email with your name on so I can just check, make sure you have paid, because there's a few bad lads out there, and I'll send you a link for free. Now, just a bit of a heads up. If you go onto my online shop and purchase the download, the link doesn't always work. Please let me know. Please let me know your address. I should be able to find it from your receipt. And if you let me know it doesn't work, I'll send you a direct link, and I know that works 100%. I do the memory stick or memory files or whatever it is. It's all my information I've gathered up over the years, like 20 or 25 years. But it might be handy for you because if you're trying to explain to me a problem, I can go say, oh, if you've got the memory stick, it's in this file here, da, 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 da. You know, you can find it and you can find the exact piece rather than me rambling on and typing for hours and hours and hours. So you've got it there in front of you. And also you can carry it around with your car, so if you do break down, you don't have to carry a load of workshop manuals with you. It's nice and small. All right, so there's lots of information on there, some movies as well, some films, and I've also got, which was kind of exciting, I actually found, sorry, I had a bit of a brain fart there, I forgot what it was called. I actually found the Africa videos, the full series. Now, if you'd have watched that in the 80s, it was very, very interesting how they made a car for Africa out of plywood. And it worked. All right, so enjoy yourself, download that. I'm running out of battery, gotta go. See ya.